award-winning filmmaker star in our movie. Here we are, looking for Streatham's next star.
What's that? Hi guys! Mama. I just killed a man. That's great.
Wonderful.
I'd like to rap you one of my original beats. Just never understood why you never understood. I just...
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
That really was quite wonderful. Stunning and brave.
Yeah.
2 words, Meryl Streep.
We do have some notes though.
Just a few, just 1 or 2. You could do it like a bit more... What's the word I'm looking for? Sexy. You want the audience to want you. Even if you're doing something like picking up the newspaper. You know.
Yeah. Make me want to pick up the newspaper.
I want to be the newspaper that you're picking up.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
The environment.
The environment.
This one's really about the environment.
Yeah, and that really is one of the key themes.
Absolutely. We want to
win.
Save the environment.
Save the environment. Mainly save.
Mainly save. Yo!
Are you willing to shave your head? Have you ever thought about doing exactly that? Like exactly what you're doing?
Absolutely.
Yes. But upside down? Yes, and also...
Oh yes, definitely.
Also wet. Oh. No, we don't say that word anymore.
Who else is coming in? She doesn't move much.
I like it. A lot.
It's a maybe.
Next. Guys, did anybody order a life-size cardboard cut-up Victoria Coren Mitchell?
Yes, for the cholera scene.
Well, we cut that scene.
Oh.
So you just went and ordered it anyway?
Action. Desiree Buffon. Hi guys. No. Don't mean to sing a song. Is this a fork I see before me? Okay, bye. I came into this room. She was great. She was really something.
Yeah.
I mean, not right for us.
No, God, no.